to your daily workout. Today we're going to focus in on our legs so you'll look great and have beautiful legs. Let's begin by thinking about good posture. Get your back nice and straight. You'll need a chair for extra support and balance on this workout. We're going to begin using the legs. Ready, lift and lower. This is a great leg exercise, all for the buttocks and the back of your thighs. Right here where we always get a lot of fat deposits. That's the place, yes. Especially for us women, this is where we get it. That's very normal, it's genetic, so don't worry about it. But you know what? You can change it. It can firm up, tone up, and slim down. And that's what we're concentrating on right now for the back of your legs. Good. Your stomach should be in, your back is straight. The leg is doing all the work. So focus all your workout right here. Focus right in the back of your thighs. Think about it. Is it firming, toning, tightening? Yes. Welcome to beautiful Paradise Island. Isn't it beautiful? I want to take you away from your life and come here for just a half an hour every day with me. And you'll feel better. You'll leave this half an hour feeling great about yourself. And that's my goal, to inspire and motivate you to do this for your own body. Last one, hold it up. Beautiful, hold it, hold it. Think about good posture, tighten up the leg. You did it, you could do it, you have great legs, hot legs. Hold, great. And now for the outer thighs, lift and lower, lift and lower. This is working on those outer thighs right here, where most of us get that extra little poof. You know, we call them the saddlebags. This is what we're targeting. This is called an outer thigh lift. This is targeting right here. This also helps slim down your hips. So this is a good one to do if you really want to slim out the outer thigh area. That's right. No more pear shape. We're going to really firm it up. Great. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. That's it. Good. Think about good posture here. That's it. Great. Lift and lower. That's it. Perfect. Good. Two more. 1, 2. Great. Now inner thighs. That's it. Inner thigh. This is a great one to target the inner thigh. You know, that's a hard area to really get. But you know, this exercise gets it. This is the exercise that zeroes in on the inner thighs and your inner knee area. No more flabby inner knees. This is the area we're really targeting right now. Zero in on the inner thigh. Feel it, squeeze it. Squeeze right now as you cross it. Flex your foot. That's it. For those of you that are a little more advanced, want to challenge yourself, go ahead and put leg weights on. That's easy. That's it. Good. That way you'll really incorporate a little more muscle. 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, let's switch sides. Move your chair to the other side. And now we're going to focus on the other leg. Let's begin. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Think about your back. Is it straight? Good. Stomach is in. This is working on the back of your thighs. The area we all need extra help. No more cottage cheese legs. That's right, we'll firm it all up. Good, you're doing great. It's worth it. I guarantee you'll look better. You will. This will work the back of those thighs. Good. You're doing it. Good. That's it. The beauty about my exercise is you don't need exercise equipment. You just need a chair. Every household has a chair. That's right. Good. This is targeting back here, where we all need the extra help, right? I know. That's where my fat goes, right there to my thighs. But you can do it. You can fight all this fat by exercise and eating well. Eating well is very important. It goes hand in hand. Eating and exercise. That's right. I try to eat a really good breakfast in the morning. Eat breakfast like a king, eat lunch like a queen, and eat dinner like a pauper. Try not to eat too much late at night. Eat an early dinner. That's the key to keeping your metabolism up and the key to losing weight naturally. Good. I put a curfew on the kitchen. I try to eat my dinner before 7 o'clock. That's right, before 7 p.m. and then try not to eat anything after that. And I promise you, you will see the weight come right off. That's right. And if any of you are obese out there, this is the answer for you, okay? Eat an early dinner and then no snacking at night and do about 10 minutes worth of exercise about 2 hours after you've had your dinner. And I promise you will notice a huge difference. Naturally, without starving. Eat a dinner. It's important to eat dinner. Even have a dessert if you like, as long as it's before 7 p.m. But I know there are nights you won't be able to do that, which is very normal. But just on most nights where you can control your dinner time, go ahead and eat it early. Okay, lift and lower. We're working those outer thighs again, those hips and outer thighs. The saddlebags, last one, good. Inner thigh workout. This is targeting the inner thighs. Did you know even if you run or walk or climb stairs or do step, you're still not getting the inner thighs. You get the front and the back of your thighs. So what you have to do is put your body, your leg in a position to use your inner thighs. And this one exercise does it for you. Tones and tightens underneath here. The exercise is when you cross the leg in front. That's the toning effect, right there. You can do it. Have those nice slim, nice thighs. Good. Great looking legs. You'll look great in your skirts and your shorts. That's right. You have strong legs. Get you where you want to go. We got a couple more inner thigh ones. Come on. Really squeeze it. Last one. Okay, shake out your leg. You should feel right there. That's where I feel it. We've got a couple of leg exercises for the calves now. Ready? Lift and lower. This is working the calf muscles. That's right below here, the lower leg. Good. Do you notice the calves working? Working. That's it. Calf muscle exercise. This is a great one. Lift up and down. This will give your leg a lot better shape to it. If you have the bird skinny legs on the lower end of your legs, it makes your thighs look bigger. So this gives it more of a proportion, of a balance in your legs. A little more tone down there makes your thighs, your upper part of your thighs, look a little slimmer. So it gives a wonderful leg appearance. That's right. Two more. Up on your tippy toes and down. Last one, step on your tippy toes. And go down, down, down. Stay on your tippy toes. Stay on your tippy toes. You did it, you did it. And now it's time for our cool down, the best part of all, because you know you finished a workout and you did it. Let's begin. Let's stretch out to the side for the sides of our waistline. That's it, and the legs and the hips. Oh, it feels so good to stretch away that stress. That's right. Good, and to the other side, stretch all the way. You did it! I'm so proud of you. Feel better. Your legs will look better. That's right. You burned some fat. I believe in 3 workouts. An aerobic workout, which we did today, a toning workout, which we did today, and a flexibility workout. All wrapped up into the 30-minute. And that's exactly what I do Monday through Friday for my own workout. I get a little of everything. That way it's the brush through. Hold. Okay, and stretch out your leg, the front of your thigh, the quadriceps. Give it a try. A little yoga here. Come on. You could do it. Stomach in, back straight. Find your balance. Hold it. That's it. Stretching the front of your thigh. Okay, try the other leg. Hold it up. Stand up nice and tall. Hold, stretch. Beautiful. Give yourself a deep breath, inhale.